Alright guys, I'm gonna go clear this. We're back.
What? Hello?
I really hope we got that on camera. No chicken again. No f***ing.
Yo, is there someone up there? Oh, it could be the wind. Yeah, it's the wind.
Nah. It started coming down. It went from up there and now it's... Go. The power of Christ now. All the top is closed. Wait, what do you mean? All the tops are closed, like that. Yeah, here. No.
Can you even go upstairs? No, it's closed off.
What the f? What the f? Wait, no. Bring the camera over here. Show it. There's like a...
Oh, there's a board.
There's a board.
If you guys see...
What?
I just feel like a whip, like a...